Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿No estaban aquí? Estaba en la costa para 2 semanas. ¿Qué le doy ahora sí? Necesito papas. ¿Qué más?
Look at that, acelga. That's Swiss chard called acelga in español. Acelga, ¿verdad?
Acelga.
Acelga.
Acelga. ¿Fresas? How much? 7 y 2, 9. 9 y 3, 12. 12 y 1, 13. Y 1, 14. Y 1, 50, 15 y 50 mil. 15 y 50.
15 y 50.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Ya regresaron?
Sí, estaba en la costa.
Oh, la costa.
Para 2
Yeah,
semanas.
sí, la costa.
Con razón se ha pronunciado en la costa. ¿Qué les doy? Camote.
Sí.
6,
7 y 5, 12. 12. Banana 12 con 50. 12, 50. Este será camote y el
We're back from the Mercado and it's time to wash our fruits and veggies. It kind of sucks that they use so much plastic here. Most of these came pre-packaged. So we're stuck with it, but we do our best to reduce, reuse, and recycle when possible. I soak and scrub everything in a saltwater bath according to Greger's instructions. And then I rinse it off in fresh water to get the salt off. And then I just lay it out to dry. The water gets progressively dirtier as you go. So start with your clean stuff, fruits and veggies, and then move on to your potatoes so that they don't ruin your saltwater bath. People ask us what we eat. The rainbow, I say, the rainbow. We got all of this fresh produce, most of it organic, all of it non-GMO for $33, including this acelga. Fruits are cut. Be sure to budget enough time when you go to the store that when you come home you have time to wash everything and cut up your fruits so they're ready when you want to eat them. Put on some music, enjoy the process of eating healthy.